Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Ray J, the angel of perishment and death. I'm here doing the Bodega Boys intro because I want to do a favor to America. You know what I'm saying? I want to hang out with Donald Trump tonight and run Triz, which means that he will expire swiftly within a 6-month span. You're welcome, America. This is also my announcement that I'm running for president in 2020. I hit it first. Holla, do the fucking drop.
Yo, it's episode 38. Bodega Boys in the building. Special episode. It's been a year of Bodega Boys.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Remember the anniversary of September 11th.
That's right.
Remember, Bin Laden couldn't stop the Bodega Boys. Rest in peace to everyone 9/11.
Yo, straight up.
Straight up.
Everybody that died as a consequence of 9/11.
Damn.
From asbestos.
We started dark as fuck.
That dark.
Yeah, like all the, you know what? All the dogs that they used to find, all the cadaver dogs that they used to find bodies are dead.
That's true.
That's true.
Damn.
But I mean,
But they die from old age. Dogs live like 10 years. Big dogs, right? I'm not a dog dude.
I guess so.
I don't know. I keep thinking my brownie's gonna live to be like 30. I'm gonna be mad sad when I just wake up one day.
Yeah, I
She's just
mean,
like,
look, it's a reality. You know what? When your kids go find them first.
I don't know, B. How do you do with dogs? Do you put them to sleep if they're like wild ill?
Yeah, you could do that. Did you know, according to the Department of Sanitation, you can throw out a dog, you just have to write on the bag.
This is a dog.
So fuck that. The Department of Sanitation like, oh, that's your loved one? That's a part of the family?
We're gonna throw them in the back of the crunchy truck. We're gonna crunch him up with this old dresser.
You just watch him, and you put down the compressor, and he just cuts it in half.
Oh, no!
Not Brownie!
Damn!
Look away, kids!
Damn!
Just making that crunching noise, man. Garbage water falls out.
Damn. My kids are ill, though, because they, like, we talked about that, and they were just like, yo, we'll just get a new dog.
Yeah.
Like, it's weird. They're mad cold. Growing up in the Bronx.
Wow.
It's cold.
They could replace you the same way. Just get another dad. It's whatever.
Didn't Dave Chappelle already do that?
What?
To replace his dad with Nick Cannon or some shit like that?
Yeah, that was one of the sketches on the show.
Dang, shout out to Chappelle, you're a genius.
Yo, we never even started the show right. We didn't do the dames.
Oh, shit!
Oh, shit. You know
what I'm saying?
First of all, coming to you live from
That's
220
right.
West 18th Street.
Oh, my God!
Do the drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
It's your boy, Desus Nice, Young Chipotle, Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, Kristaps for Slim Dick, Eli Lippy, Butchers Gully, Slow Banana Might Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Desus H Fuego, Mr. Nando's Willarando, 1994, Mikhail Going Off, the Juve Boss, MC Lickle Gunga P, pulling up from 40 with your shorty. Don't talk to me in the Uber pool. Why? I don't know you. I don't know you, fam. The original, my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss one. Jesus Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, a.k.a. Mr. La Marina in a mesh marina with a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor, a.k.a. a problematic babe. Mwah.
He really had avocado toast.
I had avocado toast. I'm sold the fuck out.
Yo, it's your motherfucking boy, the human durag flap, the kid Mero, you know what I'm saying? World-renowned motherfucking Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Skirt loader, you know what I'm saying? Curve Gotti to God. He's treat my Stevie B. You see me out there all day with my shirt off. You know what I'm saying? Call me Field the S. Tyson. You know what I'm saying? Ben Boston in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? I'll open up your medicine cabinet because I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Swipe my debit card again, put the plastic bag on it because there's definitely funds on there. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is with Vice now, so the stacks is on deck. Holla. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, okay. This is not another episode we're going to be on our own dicks.
I know. I kept it to the intro and shit.
Also, the whole stacks is on deck. They're not really on deck like that. I listened to the last episode. I was like, yo, that sounds. We sound like food.
Yeah, we do.
We sound like home invasion. It's not time. We're still in the Bronx. It's still quiet for you. Don't get the red beam on your forehead trying to come through my living room at 3 a.m.
Yo, did cop the crib. You know what I'm saying? The crib is cop, but...
Is the crib cop officially?
We're still in the Bronx. Crib is getting done. You know what I'm saying? We're still in the Bronx. Don't get hyped. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to you. Living the dream.
Kid, don't home invade me because that money is all electronic. Nigga. That's not real money. That shit don't exist.
I think you might be the first Spanish person to buy a house not in Orlando.
Yo. If I was
Spanish person, Puerto Rican.
If I was Puerto Rican, I'd
definitely move out of Florida.
I would be a unicorn.
Get a charger
all day. I'd become a cop.
Oh shit!
And then transform into Italian after 2 years.
Hey!
I'm Joey Roddy. Nigga, you Jose Rodriguez. The fuck up.
Got the 3 cuts in the eyebrow. Got the weird tan going on.
You know what I'm saying?
The chain is too too tight around the neck.
Looking like a choker.
Yep. Yo, it's a big day. Mero Jr.'s first day of school.
Yo.
Did you cry?
I didn't cry because he was hyped. If he would have been crying, I would have been like hurt. I probably would have been here like 2 hours late. You know what I'm saying? You would have been drunk and shit. Like, Mero, what the fuck? I would have been like, yo, my child. And we would have shared a moment and shit and embrace. You know what I mean?
That wouldn't happen.
It would have happened.
Nah.
I'm just saying because.
Did you do that corny thing where like you have chalkboard and you take the photos?
No. That's something
your wife would be big on.
No. Mero Jr. was too swagged out. He was too swagged out. He has to wear a uniform, so he had the polo on and shit, but he had the shorts on, and he had the crispy Kyries out the box. Came out the box. He just took the paper out the shits, so he's fresh at school. And you know what I'm saying? And he's hype, so I'm good. I'm okay with that. You know what I'm saying? He's in there, he's chilling. He's already like, yo, what's good, man? You know what I'm saying? You want to play with blocks and shit? You know?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten is lit.
All right, wow.
Alphabet
Shout to you.
deck.
I see we live different lives. I went to the Yeezy concert.
Okay.
Religious experience.
Oh, wow.
The Pablo shit, you know what I'm saying?
Niggas
out
hugging
there.
and shit.
Niggas hugging. People was praying.
I can't believe it.
Oh, it was so good. It was so good. Shout FC, my man Andrew Schultz was out there. Shouts to Shelby. Shout to
Schultz.
J.R. Smith was in there. Because, you know, I'm a real nigga.
J.R. Smith was there?
J.R. Smith was in there. And he was in the mosh pit area because I was in the mosh pit.
Okay.
Oh, he had a shirt on. Okay. It's cold now. But yeah,
that's cool.
It's funny because Madison Square Garden was dumb cold until the thing actually started, and then because of the mosh pit and shit, like sweating through your shit. It's wild. I came out there drenched. Out there with the queen of the bodega.
That's how I know I'm washed because that is stressing me out right now.
Is it?
I'm like, oh my God.
I lost my
Sweaty
phone.
people?
I lost my phone in the mosh pit.
See? Nah, I'm not.
And
here for
I was
that.
tight. I ran back to the bar like, yo, did I leave a phone here? The guy was like, nah. I came back. I was like, ah. And then Kanye provided. The phone just appeared. Someone was like, yo, is this your phone?
So then you had to.
And I had the tears in my eyes, and I was just looking up. And the whole thing is, you know, Kanye is like an egomaniac.
Right, of course.
But if you're in the mosh pit, you were never looking up.
Let me tell you something. If you're an egomaniac, you do the best shows.
You do the best shows.
Because that's why I'm so ill.
Yeah, that's why this podcast rocks. It resonates.
Every time.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying? Just let y'all niggas know.
We're
not on our own dicks. You know what I'm saying? That was last episode.
We're not
gas. You know what I'm saying? This is just facts.
This is facts.
You know what I'm saying?
Listen, we did the numbers. We checked the facts and we did the numbers.
You know what I'm saying?
It ain't bragging if it's true.
You know what I mean?
All right?
I'm just saying.
We're just out here. Yeah. Shout out to Queen of the Bodega High, Vashti. She was out there.
Yo, Vashti, holla.
She came through in the Supreme joints. I came through in my Yeezy. Shit was great.
Looking like fucking futuristic, the get down out there, y'all too. Niggas, yo, using GQ style. Did you see that?
I did see that. You know, the come up is real. Niggas recognize it. The brand might be too strong.
Yo, see? This nigga's talking about, yo, we don't got no money, but if you observe the photograph, you can see my man's molars in the photo. Which means
I got the Nick Cannon smile. The other night, I was in bed, and I was like, why does my face hurt? I've been cheesing for like 3 weeks now. Oh, man.
Love it.
I feel like
Kyrie's on deck.
It's like with cocaine in the 80s.
Oh, it's so good.
It's like, Wolf of Wall Street shit. Taking Quaaludes going through my body.
His whole face is caked up.
Oh, man.
Like a fucking...
Did you just hear? This just happened. Kanye signed Tigger and Designer to Good Music.
Tigger or Tiger?
Tigger. Whatever.
Because when you say Tigger, I really... Because remember Big Tigger rapped. He was on a song with R. Kelly. Remember that?
Big Tigger. Yeah.
I'm a Big Tigger.
Shout out to him. He went to Truman High School.
Shout out to Truman. BX all day, holla. You know what I'm saying? New York City high schools.
Right. So now that Tiger's on Good Music. So what?
The Hunger Games. New York City Public High Schools, when we went to them shits, was the Hunger Games.
They were the Hunger Games.
It was trial by fucking death and fire.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, you're right.
I'm sure it's pretty bad nowadays as well.
It is. That's supposedly I heard that the high school I went to, DeWitt Clinton High School, shout out to y'all, governors all day, is the most dangerous high school in the Bronx now, according to people on Facebook. I don't believe it.
I could see that.
Because remember Taft?
Yeah.
That was like the school that your moms would be like, nigga, if you don't fucking straighten up, I'm sending you to Taft. You know what I'm saying? But that was very digression into
what is so dangerous about it? Is like stabbings or shootings?
Yeah,
or what?
there's metal detectors now. When I was there was no metal detectors.
I mean, if you're a real NYC high school student, you know how to get stuff around the metal detectors. Of course. You're sliding guns through the windows on the first floor, all that stuff. You know
what I'm saying? Throw shit. Yo, there was no metal detectors when I was in high school, and still dudes did that. I don't understand why.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? But hey.
Or you just, maybe you stay after school for like one of the basketball games. You keep the yopper in your locker.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I'm just saying.
I'm just saying, swim lockers is kind of dead. Maybe you could go stash your work over there. You know
Nobody's going in there.
Nobody's going in there.
School hasn't had funding for a pool in like 7 years.
Pool mad moldy.
You know?
Lockers is all broken. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
BX Academy, y'all.
We're back. Yeah, it's too late. Shout out to Colin Kaepernick. Him and Nessa, they bought mad book bags for the little kids in the Bronx. Shout out to them. They kept it alive. I'll take credit for that as part of the BX Academy. Came up with that.
Dog, niggas hear this shit on the show. Now.
Yeah, we're
I'm
gonna
just
do that.
saying, like, what's happening?
We're gonna do the next thing. We're gonna take the kids ice skating. I already said that.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna take them to like laser rink in Central Park,
Okay.
so they can get out the hood and see ice skating.
And like actual ice skating?
Yeah, take them
Okay.
ice skating.
When I was working in the schools, we did that, and it was crazy because like a lot of the kids, it was wild. I'm sorry, it was wild because a lot of the kids had no idea how to skate. But
Right.
they when you go, I think it was Wallman Rink, the shit that's like 30 something street.
Yeah.
That shit, you go and you like rent skates and whatever. But if you're a school, you get some kind of like freebie or whatever. So all these kids and like nobody got money.
Right.
They just all throwing on skates and just falling around all crazy. I'm like, yo, somebody's gonna get their finger cut off.
Yeah,
I'm mad surprised
that's my.
that didn't happen.
So you gotta have like waivers and shit signed. Be like, yo, I'll sign a waiver like I'm not gonna touch your kids.
Yo.
And then you sign up, the kids sign up, like if I lose a finger, that's on me.
That's on me.
I mean, it's the BX Academy. It's about building character. Like
You know
you
what I'm saying?
lose a finger, you got 9 more.
Alright.
Just slap them like, yo,
What if it's like-
shape up, little nigga.
Yeah, like, what
That's
if
life
it's like
teaching you about struggles.
And also, you never almost never lose your whole finger.
Right.
It's probably just like the tip and shit. You can still like.
What's the most
manipulate
worthless
objects.
finger? You're pretty smacked right now. What's the most worthless finger on your hand? Like if I had to cut off one of your fingers right now.
Probably pinky.
Your pinky?
Probably pinky. Yeah. It's just mad. I mean, my hands are huge. Every time I look at my hands, and when I'm smacked, I'm like, why are my hands so big? But my pinky is the smallest finger, and I feel like I don't really use it for much. I don't wear pinky rings, B. You know what I'm saying? And also, if it's just one pinky, I still got the other one. I
But
put
you're
2
moving
rings
to
on it.
Jersey. You're gonna need a pinky ring.
Yes, I'm saying I have at least one pinky.
Oh, okay.
If it's just one finger. If you're talking about cutting off multiple fingers, then I don't know.
We're not cutting off both.
No.
Just one.
That's a lot. After when you do one, you be like, I don't even want to do another one. That was gross. You know
No,
what I'm saying?
I'm pretty sure you're not saying it that calm. What kind of drugs are you on that I'll just cut off one of your fingers and you're like, yo, yeah, that was a wild experience. Ew. That's nasty. I'm going to start cleaning it up.
It feels like numb.
Ah. Yo, your man Lena Dunham and the Zest God had that little run-in.
Okay. That made absolutely no sense to me because you know what's crazy? It's like when you ever go to a party for somebody, like for your in-laws or somebody, and that you don't really know a lot of people, and they just sit you at a table with people and you don't know them. So I'm not like the type of person to just be like, hey guy, you know what I mean? So like if you talk to me, I might respond, but I'm probably not gonna talk to you.
Right.
That's exactly what Odell did, and like. She's like, oh, he probably is like, ew, I don't even want to fuck. He probably didn't even see you, bitch. Like, he didn't care that you were there.
You know what it is?
You didn't have on an emoji sweatsuit and you weren't doing the folks, you know what I'm
Here you
saying,
go.
doing all this shit. So
you gotta approach him in the language that he speaks.
That's
Like,
it.
Go up there and be like, yep,
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
yep,
Hey, boom, yo, drop the beat.
yep,
Boom,
yep. Then start dabbing. Then he would be like, yo, hi, how you
Oh,
doing?
shit,
Hi,
what's
what's going on?
It's like sign language. You know what I mean? You
Look at
showed
my
up-
dab.
You know what I mean? You showed up looking like fucking Andy Milonakis. Like, I had no idea who you were. You know what I'm
That's
saying?
funny. And she, like, why would you put that on the internet? Some things you gotta keep to yourself,
Keep to
man.
yourself,
Don't
man.
be weird.
She got curved in her mind. That's
Yeah,
the first time
that
I've ever
happens
seen
a
it.
lot.
Like, yo, come
that
on.
happens a lot, but you get curved in your mind. You can't go on the internet and tell people that. That's not.
I'd be like, I got curved. Meanwhile, Odell Beckham's like playing Candy Crush and like his mansion, like doing dance routines. He has no idea this is even happening.
No idea. And then he has to come out and make a statement. He's
Yeah.
like, who?
Yeah, who? What the fuck?
did
What
what?
are niggas talking about?
What happened?
It's not a different Odell? It's not my dad?
Like,
Odell
what?
Beckham Sr.?
He's like,
Nah?
nope.
What the fuck?
Oh, Lena. Oh, Lena. It's been a rough week for white women.
Yo.
Taylor Swift and Tom Hiddleston son hops up Hiddleston. Houston.
You know, Taylor
Marcus
Swift is-
Houston. She was dating Marcus Houston. No, they broke up.
She's dating Batman.
So
Go home, Roger. They broke up.
R.I.P. Mayo Love.
What was their name? They had a combo name.
Annoying.
Yo, get the fuck out of here, B.
Yeah.
Look, see, she dated like, did she date John Mayer?
I
I
don't
don't
the
fucking
wrong
know.
guy.
She dated every white dude that plays a guitar. Put it
I
like
guess.
that.
I mean-
and now she's onto like weird Harry Potter niggas. She's gonna start dating rappers next. Watch.
Who
Mero
do
Damas. She's dating a rapper. She's gonna.
you think it's gonna be?
It's gonna be soft. It's gonna be like the finger in the butt first.
Right.
It's gonna be somebody like G-Eazy. You know what I'm saying? See? It's gonna be somebody like G-Eazy or one of those guys, and then she's gonna transition from there to like fucking Ty Dolla $ign, and then like probably somebody wild like YG or some shit. Imagine Taylor Swift and YG.
Yo, that might affect her sales a little.
Yeah,
They're not gonna have a
CD.
CD. Not gonna have a CD in the front of Walmart no more. She's dating YG.
She goes with the one guitar like ding-a-ding-a-ding. The YG's like, hey, bitch.
Now we got bad blood. Like,
Hey.
just skipping around, throwing bees up.
Yeah.
She got the 3 dots burned to her arm. No, don't Taylor Swift. Don't do
Red
that.
is the color of my heart, bud. Like, what the fuck? Yo, okay. And she
Oh
was like,
shit!
"Hey,
Next time
love
she
you."
gets to the beef, like Kim does the fucking snake emojis. She just fucking throws hers with mad gun emojis and shit.
Yo, oh my God.
Oh, man.
Taylor Swift is on a roll, B.
Yeah.
Of taking L's.
Speaking of things that are repetitive and white, the iPhone 7 dropped.
Oh, shit. It's a white? I thought it was jet black.
It doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter
black, it's black.
because you're gonna buy it anyway.
Yeah, I seen them you know how they did the whole Apple keynote, blah, blah, blah. I didn't watch the shit at all.
Right.
I watched the little 1.5-minute video because I'm a millennial and I want everything very quickly. You know what I'm saying? It was a 1.5-minute video, and it just had basically everything in a 1.5 minutes.
Right.
So it was like, yo, new camera, 2 cameras, these are the colors, specs, But and then when it came to the black part, it was like, it was really black. The blackest black. Jet black. And it was just like black. I was like,
It's for Black Lives Matter.
Yeah, I'm like, are you niggas pandering? What is happening?
Nah, listen. It's quiet for the headphone jack.
Yeah, it is. It's over for the headphone jack.
It's
Yo,
not,
come to the
it's
future.
not,
Yo, follow me.
Stop.
Follow me into
Stop
the future.
The bullshit.
Jesus. Look at this door I'm opening.
You have our headphones
Look how
right
beautiful
now.
it is on the other side,
You
bro.
have our headphones right now,
me.
Mero.
Yes, because these are monitor. These are special. Y'all don't know.
Oh,
Red
my
Bull
God.
got state of the
Listen,
art
stop
equipment.
the bullshit. All right? Stop the
Are
You know
you
what you're
an
doing?
audiophile?
You know what you are doing right now?
I'm
not
going
any
into
kind
the
of
future.
file, all right? Don't be trying to put my name out there as any kind of file. I'm not a file, not a Rolodex, none of that. Batman the file.
Batman the file.
No, everyone is fine with the headphone jack.
That's fine.
The headphone jack is a world.
I know.
World
I
standard.
understand.
And here's the bullshit.
Okay.
People like you, and this is Desus Fuego with
Give me
the
the take.
hottest take.
Give me the take.
I'm about to scorch off your fucking
Please.
eyebrows.
I'm covering them.
Apple's lying to y'all, talking about it's the future. This is the easier way to do things. The only way people could customize iPhones was via the headphone jack, aka square readers. Other applications people made that they didn't have to get Apple's approval to use.
Okay.
Apple was like, nah, fuck it. It's quiet for y'all. Y'all not doing that anymore. We own this bitch. You want to do that shit, you're going to have to pay us for stuff.
Wow, the Fuego Tech take.
There you go.
Yo.
There you go. Don't have to. They're
Tech
lying
fam,
to you,
holla at
and
me.
they're trying to tell you, oh, it's about courage.
Anil
It's about-
Dash, holla at me.
Yo, come on. Like,
Talk to me.
it uses Bluetooth now. Like, that's going to compress the music again.
I know.
So
I
you
read
listen,
that.
Come on.
That's why I said, are you an audiophile? But yo, listen.
But the sickness is Apple was like, so?
Yeah,
Apple
and
was
they're
like, so.
and also for y'all that really want to be retro, we're gonna put the adapter in the shit for free. You're welcome.
Okay. You're gonna carry you're not gonna lose the adapter. You can't even get up from your desk without leaving your phone or your wallet. So now you're gonna walk around with an adapter.
I would just leave it in there all the time. Just leave it in there all the time. Why not? Just let it hang.
You're just gonna leave it all the time? It's not Heather.
Yeah.
Shout to the sponsors. Shout to Heather's Show. Shout to K2. Shout to Red Bull. Shout to Narcan.
Yo, this guy he bought the baby Yeezys. He mentioned during a lunch the other day that something about Heather being pregnant, and now you just said it again, so it's probably gonna happen.
That's it.
Thank you. He just said it in 3, so now it's definitely going down.
You know what? Wait, what do me buying baby Yeezys have to do with you having a baby?
It's just putting baby vibes into the air.
Listen.
You don't have babies, so you just put. It's like baby paraphernalia.
Shit's too popping right now to have a baby. Shit is too popping. I will leave that little nigga at the fire station.
But you got to get to the point where you're popping, because I understand like your trepidation about having kids is a big responsibility.
No, it's
but
not
what
that.
you could do,
It's like I don't like being home.
That's what I'm saying. So what you do is just get a fucking very expensive nanny, and then just do what Diddy does, and just take pictures with your kids occasionally, and be like, "Yo, I'm
too
dad."
Jamaican, so you're talking. All I'm hearing is cash signs. I'm hearing cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. All right,
That's what I'm
nanny.
saying.
So now I gotta pay. I work hard. Now some other person has to raise my kid. Just don't have the kid.
Remember when I said that to me being rich or whatever is going to Target and not looking at the receipt? When you're not looking at receipts for anything, you're popping and you're getting stacks. You know what I'm saying? So even if you are conditioned to be like, yo, chill, you're not gonna. Eventually, you're not gonna care.
Nope.
Yeah,
You know why? Because I was reading an article last night about Shane Smith,
Okay.
owner of what?
Same.
Of what?
Of Vice.
Of
Yeah,
Vice.
yeah.
And he is worth $400 million. That's his net worth.
Yeah.
He just bought a $23 million house.
Yeah, I read this. This is good.
If I was
It was Wall
worth
Street Journal, right?
$400 million and I bought a $23 million house, like I would be in a cold sweat.
Buying a $23 million house.
Yeah, 'cause-
I thought about that too because I was like, damn. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was really about to play myself and say I'm in the same boat. I'm definitely not. My crib costs a fraction of what yours costs. But like, it's a big deal, but because we're us. You know what I'm
Right.
saying? I feel like he's been rich long enough to be like, yo, this is nothing.
Right.
That's
But
what I'm saying.
You know what
Like,
I'm
you
saying?
get to that
I
point
don't
where you're
feel like it's
"Eh."
ever going to go away.
Because, yo, in that same shit, he talked about buying bottles of wine that are like $20,000
Yeah,
and
no.
just pounding them like, yo, I'm just drinking this shit like it's a Coors Light.
It was like
That's
that
bugged out.
article about Drake's DJ. Someone stole $3 million worth of jewelry from him.
Yeah,
all right, stop my time. You and DJ, why you got $3 million worth of jewelry?
And you taking
why
it on
does anyone
tour?
have $3 million worth of jewelry? And then the bullshit, because it's black people jewelry.
Of course.
It's like mad dookie gold chains, maybe a pharaoh, a sphinx with Drake face on it.
Something animated.
All right. If it was white people jewelry,
They got
what
a
would it
gift
be?
on a chain. Oh, are you kidding me?
A princess cut stone.
A little
something very very understated.
Very just low key. Just.
Nah, this nigga walking around a pendant that say "Kill Nigga
Oh
Records."
my god.
In emeralds.
Come on, and this shit
Got a corpse.
This shit scrolls.
It got a corpse, and the fucking the blood is made in fucking rubies,
and it smells. It squirts a smell out every 30 seconds, like a fucking Febreze fucking pack.
and it's wireless.
It's Bluetooth.
Yeah, like an iPhone 7.
Yo, the iPhone hate is strong on you, but you are right now typing from a Mac. Why do you do Mac computers but not Apple phones?
Because life is about struggle.
Okay.
So you must constantly remind yourself of struggle. So instead of doing things the easy way, I want to have a Samsung phone and a MacBook, and to
Have them be
get
totally
a file
incompatible.
and to get a file between the two is so much work.
Yeah.
But you know what? It builds character.
Every time you put a file from the phone to the computer, it just how when you used to translate shit, and it used to come out all fucked up and it just have mad nonsense.
Yeah.
It just says fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, 80,000 times.
It
And then you
like
get
with
your
a
file.
MacBook, if you open the Bluetooth, they're like try to find it. They're like, oh, search it. I don't see anything.
I don't see anything.
I don't see anything out here.
It just says it to you saying, I don't really see nothing popping out
I don't
here.
see nothing out here. It's quiet. It's quiet out here. This Bluetooth stuff on this Bluetooth network.
I'm not picking nothing out.
And
out
then
here.
it'd be like little Samsung,
It's your little signal.
little Samsung, little Galaxy, little whack Snapchats.
Yeah.
Nah, shout out to all my Android people. Shout out to my iPhone people, because we're both getting jerked
That's true.
by the phone company.
Yeah.
Who's like, here, you peasant.
Yeah, here.
Here's a gig of data.
Yeah. You have to pay for data now. What is data? I feel like choking phone people to death. I'm like, yo, why am I paying you for an idea?
They're
Nigga,
lying
like,
to you.
What are you
They're
telling
lying
me?
to you. They're acting like there's like a vault somewhere with bricks of data.
I'm like,
They're like, yo, you're using up all the data. Oh my God, we're running low on data.
Yo, this shit is a theory, nigga. Like, how the fuck am I paying y'all $300 a month? This shit is crazy. Yo, don't go over your fucking data.
Yo, kid.
Don't watch SVU on the subway.
And what's funny is like how they're like, yo, you should have used the Wi-Fi. Should have used Optimum Wi-Fi.
Oh, yeah.
I can't log into Optimum Wi-Fi because my mother put some wild password on it like years ago, and she can't remember it. And I'm like, I keep telling them, can I reset it?
Yeah.
And they're like, she has to reset it. And she'll call Florida, and she'll just be like, I don't care.
Right. You know what you do? I always call them pretending to be my pops.
Yeah.
Every time.
I should do that, yeah.
Yeah.
I
Just
didn't
do
think about that.
Yeah. Just do it.
Nah, I'm tired of, I was going to say I'm tired of cable. I am not. I'm
Shout
a
out
big
to
fan of cable.
Huge fan.
Huge fan of cable.
Especially Viceland.
Especially Viceland. Their programming is amazing.
Amazing programming.
Hopefully, when we're on there, because we're going to be on there. We haven't even talked about the show really
Mero
on here.
Thomas,
For
we're gonna win an Emmy. I'm just telling you right now.
win an Emmy, that's true. If we win an Emmy, I'm getting on a chain. I'm gonna do the $3 million chain shit.
Gotta do it.
Get the nigga jury. No, our show's gonna be what, 4 nights a week?
Yeah.
That's a lot of.
It's a lot of content for y'all.
a lot of
Hashtag
content.
But y'all love it. You know what I'm saying? Niggas can't lose. We can sit here for 12 hours.
We got the dream team on deck until everyone's
what I'm
out
saying?
there. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be
Super
We
lit.
could watch it as a family on Twitter.
Yep.
Don't tweet at us, be like, yo, this shit is whack, because guess what? It's still
I'll
gonna
choke
be on
you.
the air.
It doesn't matter.
So it don't matter. Check's still gonna clear regardless.
Check's gonna clear regardless.
So yeah, it's a good look.
Unlike the NFL, our contracts are guaranteed, fam.
Woo!
Skirt, skirt.
Woo! And we don't have to worry about CTE.
Yeah.
Is that
also
it? Did I get it right this time?
I mean, maybe.
I was gonna say CTU again. We're gonna worry about turning into Jack Bauer.
What was the goofy shorty that he used to that did
Chloe.
Chloe. There you
Chloe, and she always had the face like she had irritable bowel syndrome.
Yeah.
Or she was sucking on a lemon. Jack, I can't do that.
go. Jack.
Jack, I need that. Jack, I conveniently need 15 minutes, but there's 15 minutes left in the show.
Yeah, exactly. Jack, the heck Barack Obama's Twitter DMs. Imagine if she hacked fucking Obama's DMs.
Well, did you see that Colin Powell slid Hillary the blueprint on how to get around the emails? And he was doing, you know what? I could tell now he's an old Jamaican man because
Like
he's,
Hillary, why you snitching?
he's mad shifty and he don't want to follow instructions. He's hard-headed because the Department of Homeland Security or whatever, the Secret Service was like, yo, we got to follow you wherever you go because in case someone whacks you. He's like, I don't want security. He has to sign a paper that was like, yo, if something happens to you, that's on you, dog. He was like fine with that. Like he would drive his own car to the supermarket and shit. He set up his own email server because he didn't want them going through his shit.
What?
He's my fucking Uncle Barrington. Fucking Colin Powell over here sipping on Ray and Nephew. And some fucking house slippers beefing about how high the grass is in the neighbor's yard and sending out classified emails from his basement. Who knew?
Oh no.
Well, I should have known the jig was up when he did the old Jamaican man lying about the anthrax at the Gulf War.
Oh my God.
At the Iraq War, he was like,
Yeah, he's from the Bronx.
He is from the Bronx.
You know what I'm saying?
That's
So,
a bad comment.
it's a double, 2 strikes.
Jamaican from the Bronx. Oh, man. That's not a good look.
2 strikes against you, my guy.
I'm sure I'm related to him somehow.
Probably.
Come
on.
Probably. You know his mother's not impressed by to be a cool.
By anything.
By,
That's why he had to become like the fucking general of the world and shit. So his mom would be like, All right, Colin. Take the chicken out the freezer.
oh, man.
It's like, Mom, I'm in the White House.
I am the chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff.
Yeah. Are you married?
He actually is. His wife is pretty. Yeah. He has a pretty wife.
Yo, speaking of wives, I read that Shane Smith article, and homie's wife was Tamika. Her
I
name
saw
was
that.
Tamika, and I was
you
like,
know, I Googled right away. I was like, yo, let me
What?
find out he's out here with the black chicks.
Yeah.
No.
Tamika with a Y. I was like, yo,
I was like, yo,
Shorty's
get blacker
definitely
than that. I was like, Shane Smith out here, swimming in the chocolate. I was like, go ahead, salute that man.
Yo.
He got I was like, how did a man $400 million and he's married to a black chick? How did Twitter not know this?
Yo.
Nope. No, skirt. No. Microsoft Word definitely had the red line underneath her name. Like, yo.
The paperclip was like, yo,
Like,
can I help you with this?
You're Caucasian. Do you sure you want to spell your name like this? I don't know if people at the hospital was like,
Tamika Smith?
Every time the Filipino nurse came in there was like,
Tamika Smith, this not you? You white? She's like, yeah, it's me. Yo!
I was like,
that shit had me crying tears last night.
I had to call somebody like, yo, did you see this?
I Googled the shit and then I went on
No,
Bing
here,
to confirm.
The first thing, as soon as you type in Shane and you move over, the first thing that comes up in the auto suggest is wife.
Right.
So I guess a lot of people have been confused and wanted to know. They wanted to know the tea here on the Black Girl Report.
Yo, holy moly. I want to meet her parents, though. Be like, yo.
I'm fascinated. I hope she
How
comes
did y'all-
through the office. I had so many questions.
How'd you come up with that?
Like, yo. Her parents, Malcolm. But it spells like Michael.
He's like, what?
I'm like, what's going on there?
Yo.
Are they appropriating names?
God damn.
Oh, man. Yo, shout out to, happy birthday shout out, member of the Bodega Hive. Also, always shout out to the Bodega Hive for
All
rocking
day,
with us.
holla.
Gang.
All day.
Mario Reyes.
Oh, shit.
It's his birthday.
Holla.
He said he wanted a shout out. So, because his girl also listens to the podcast, and he wanted to be like, he could be like, yo, if she gets uppity, he could be like, oh, I'm sorry, when's the last time you got shouted out by the Bodega Boys?
See, giving you,
there you go.
Giving you
Got
points.
that.
Those are important, B. As a married man, I'm gonna tell you, you need those points. You know what I'm saying?
Like, points like,
Points that you could just be like, yo, chill. Like, for example, my man who just got off for killing the dude that was raping his wife.
right?
Bodied him, saved the day, you know what I'm saying? Saved his wife's life and
Right.
honor and all that shit. And got off scot-free, no charges, you know what I'm saying, in the Bronx. Shout out to him. My guy Mamadou, I think is his name.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Mamadou, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my guy. He will never in life lose an argument with his wife. You know what I'm saying? That's very important. You
I
got
think
points.
We've talked about this
talked about
before.
this,
The
but
problem,
that's
the
the point
problematic
system.
light came out. I don't feel like,
That's the
I
point
feel
system.
like she might be suffering trauma from that. And so would it be him? Like,
But
she was.
no. The guy didn't actually get to. He was about to assault her, and then he saw that was going down. If you see the video, he turns around. He's like, "Yo, who the fuck is this dude running into my crib?" And immediately springs into action. So,
All right.
you know what I'm saying?
All right,
I mean,
bro.
I don't want. I mean, you know, whatever. I don't want to speculate. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to him for saving the day.
All right. That poor man said he's like cursed by the fact that he killed somebody.
Really? He said that?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. Guess what?
Well,
Guess what?
Can't relate.
Killing someone is not fun.
Can't relate.
Oh, all right. Chill, Ray J. Chill.
No, I don't want to kill nobody, man.
Well,
no more.
no more.
Who would you kill out here in these streets? Is there somebody you would definitely be like, yo, I'll kill you? Is that wild to even say on the air?
I'm not going to say that on the air.
Who would you? And we're like, hey, who would you murder?
Rudy Giuliani. Allegedly.
Allegedly. Yeah.
No, I would never cause any harm to Rudolph
Giuliani.
Giuliani.
Are we gonna look back on him in like 40 years, like, you know, like that old scamp? You know what I'm
we're
saying? Or
not.
we're gonna be like, yo, fuck that nigga. Or
I'm
we're
going to
be
make
like,
sure
fuck that white
on
devil
my
forever.
tombstone, I wanted to say, fuck Giuliani.
Yeah. Shout out to Camp for having that on t-shirts.
Yeah, that was
promotional
right.
t-shirts. That was
Did you
lit.
see the presidential forum last night? Yeah, man. First of all, that was a waste of time by MSNBC.
True.
Because they had the other intrepid. First, they had Donald Trump They had Hillary Clinton in the romancing question that she left, and then Donald Trump came in. They should have like had them both
battling
like
with a beat.
schedule. Look, put down some cardboard
with DJ Premier fucking on the 1 and 2s.
Do it like a fucking
boom,
battle
boom,
rap shit.
Boom, boom. The shook one beat drops.
Yo, spit your verse, Hillary.
Go ahead. Yo, that shit's written. Boo.
Trump comes out like, you call her Hillary, I call her Benghazi.
Yeah.
Niggas like, boo, she's trash, get the fuck out of here.
She's trash, nigga.
But not, there was a vet, a lady, she was talking about like vets killing themselves and stuff. And she was like, 20 vets.
Why?
You thought of it like an animal doctor?
Right, because,
Yes, because vets for Trump is big. They were there in their white lab coats. They came from my vet. They came with Chauncey the Hawk.
I saw the dog tattoo was looking at me and he was like, vets for Trump.
No, like veterans.
Right.
And she was like, 20 veterans a day die. And he turns to her, he goes, actually, it's 22. He hit her with the well, actually.
With the what?
And he was wrong.
In her moment of mourning?
And he was wrong. And he didn't really answer the question. Like Matt Lauer was wild pussy, didn't press Trump. Trump didn't have Trump was doing that shit where like, your girl clearly got you in the lie, and you're just gonna keep talking until she just is just like done. She's just like, fuck, I don't care no more.
See?
Because they were like, what are you gonna do about ISIS? He was like, yo, I'm gonna get people together, we're gonna come up with a plan. So they was like, what's the plan? He was like, yo, I'm gonna get the top generals, we're gonna sit down, we're gonna figure this out, we're gonna defeat them in a month. Like, and he's like, yo, what's the plan?
Come on.
Like, listen.
Nigga thinks he's playing Mobile Strike.
Matt Lauer needs to go watch The Wire and watch that scene where he's like, where's, Stringer? Right? Put the pressure on him.
Press this dude. They got to get Jorge Ramos to interview him again. Jorge Ramos had him shook. They got to put them two in a fucking thing and have the Mexican soccer announcer.
But then Matt Lauer was trying to put Hillary in the figure 4 leg lock over the emails.
A little misogyny for you.
And then the vice presidential candidate. What's his name? Pierce? Price, whatever.
Pence? Yeah, nobody cares.
There has never been more swaggerless vice presidential candidates than this election.
Oh my God.
No one cares who these people
Who's
are.
Hillary's vice president? I don't even know.
It doesn't even matter.
I don't even know.
You know who these people are? When you go to the supermarket and like maybe in some like in aisle 13 they have like food that hasn't expired but just got put on the wrong shelves and shit, and the shit is marked down but nobody wants it. It's like, ooh, who the fuck is gonna fuffer nutter? Who's gonna eat that?
Fuck.
That's them. That's them. You don't want them.
I just got mad sad because I definitely ate fluff last night.
Falafel or fluffer?
Fluff. Like the marshmallow shit that comes in.
You have that?
It's so good.
Oh God.
It's so good, bro.
Oh my! Are you eating that?
Yo, it's so when you put it on with peanut butter, it's delicious.
My heart just drops. Like, there's been very few moments in my life where like I've legit been disappointed, and the fact that your wife allows you to consume that. What in the fuck?
It's vegan.
Okay. I'll make sure you get a vegan prosthetic leg. We're wireless.
What the fuck?
I hope your prosthetic leg can sync up with your iPhone 9. All right.
Yo.
Instead of a Fitbit.
Yo, you know what's crazy?
What do you put fluff on? Do you just eat it out the jar?
Yo, honestly, you could like it's like
Are
marshmallow.
you on some fat boy shit? Are you in the house making s'mores by yourself when your kids are sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
True baller. Yo, I mean, that's why I'm so glad that now the crib guy is 2 floors, so it's all the bedrooms are upstairs and the kitchen's downstairs, so I could be down there with an L, wilding, chefing it up at like 3 a.m. No problem. Because now I do it and I'm in there 2 in the morning, bang, dang, bang, bing, bang, 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 bang. Heather gets up, she's like, "What the fuck are you doing? It's 3 in the morning. What are you making?"
Oh man, yo, congrats! That's a great look that you're getting a house. A regular water. Jermaine Avocado Toast is still humble.
Fucking.
That's the name of my CBS sitcom coming through. Starring me and Tay Diggs.
I did the wild bartender shit and opened the shit but closed it. Oh, fuck.
I was like, what is that? I was surprised you didn't take the top of the bottle off like Yankee Stadium. They're like, hey, you piece of shit, you can't throw it.
You can't throw this shit, you fucking worm.
I'm so Hollywood now. Like when I go to Yankee Stadium, they don't do shit like that. They trust you. They give you plates. They give you utensils.
Come on, fam. I know about you.
You know about me.
Niggas in there eating shrimp at
the other day. Yo, shout out to Gang. The money team was out there. Gene, CC, everybody.
Holla.
Because in Yankee Stadium, in order to smoke, you have to like walk through the Hard Rock Cafe to go smoke on that little ledge out there where you can view poverty and the rest of the Bronx, but you're still safe and constant in the Yankee Stadium.
Oh, it shows you the hood? Like you could go out to
You're right underneath the train.
Oh,
you're right, like literally someone walking by could just deck you in the face if they wanted. You're across the street from the saddest McDonald's in the world.
Oh,
the
true.
one across where
Yeah.
the people who just got out of jail are meeting with Yankee fans and everyone, and the lines don't make any sense.
Wow.
But so we're out there, and then like Yesenia's sister, Eunicia, was like, she was like, no, that's it. No one else could go outside to smoke. Because apparently, according to her rules, you can't smoke after the 7th inning.
What?
I was like, nah, ma, like, that's drinking. Like, that's a law you just made up.
Smoking a cigarette is not going to make me drunk.
Right. You can't just, and she clearly wanted to get out of there. So she was like, no one else is going out of here.
Oh.
I had to talk to the manager.
Oh, no!
I had to talk to I was like,
okay.
Interesting. What is your name?
Yeah, is that with a Y or is it? Okay.
How do you pronounce that the little worm over the end? Okay. Okay, you'll be hearing from me.
Damn, nigga, what got Mr. Goldberg?
They ran over fast. Like, is everything okay? Also, because Yankee Stadium, the people, they have these signs that say, how can I help you?
Right.
So I was like, you get that bitch fired.
Yeah.
Nah, she'll be fired. You don't get fired at Yankee Stadium.
No way.
Because the thing about Yankee Stadium, who works at Yankee Stadium? People who live around Yankee Stadium. Nobody's coming from Hartford, Connecticut to come check tickets.
No way.
At all. Non-stop.
It's just like all the old white dudes from like Country Club.
Yeah, who voted for Trump.
Voted for Trump. And take the train to 2 hours.
This was a better stadium before it was colored.
Yeah.
CC Sabathia.
You know what I'm saying?
Disgusting.
Yo, we talked about Colin Kaepernick, but he got the #1 selling jersey in the fucking NFL.
Stay woke.
Stay woke.
Plan this whole thing.
And he's talking about donating all the proceeds and shit. So
he is.
He's really out
People
here.
are sick.
My man,
because it's win-win either way. Because if you're buying his jersey to burn it,
true,
or to wear it,
yep,
he's getting that money.
He's getting that money.
He's smart.
You know what I'm saying? So shout out to him.
Smart. I think I'm gonna take a similar stance. I have to find I'm gonna protest something that's controversial. I'm gonna take a stand and get my name out there for the brand.
Do it.
I'm gonna protest Hamilton.
Yeah, chill. No.
Nah, I'm protesting Hamilton.
No, you wildin'. Yo, you can protest the troops.
I'm taking a knee
You can protest
in front
abortion.
of
You can protest fucking gay marriage.
I'm gonna break. They're gonna
You cannot protest Hamilton, fam.
I'm gonna show like the next performance at Hamilton. I'm gonna stand up with a sign like, "This isn't real hip hop. This is not real hip hop."
Yo,
problematic podcaster Jesus Nice was beaten to death by white people.
This isn't real hip hop.
They're gonna drag me with like a Prius. They're gonna drag me for 10 miles in an electric car, and I'm just gonna be like, I think I'm chafing.
You need a Nissan Leaf. Like, yo,
I'm gonna be banned from Williamsburg.
He's gonna poison your kale.
They're gonna pull the shutters at the Bedford cheese shop when they see me.
You'll never fucking have avocado toast again, you piece of shit.
Oh, just slap it off my table at the Smith.
Is that multigrain bread, you piece of shit?
Not for you.
Not for you.
Yeah.
Piece of crap.
Yeah.
You're a piece of crap. Niggas will just see in the street like, you're crap, Jesus.
Boo!
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 You suck, dude.
We're tired of your crap.
Tired of your crap, bro.
Not cool.
Totally not cool, dude.
Not cool.
Respect the troops, bro. I don't know what that has to do with Hamilton, but you fucking suck, dude.
You suck, bro. Just go on the SoundCloud link and keep pressing down, downvote all that shit.
Lin-Manuel's a genius. You're an idiot, dude. Nigga just curling his toes in his flip-flops mad tight like, how dare you? Yo.
As soon as they start rapping, I'll be like, boo!
No,
get it out of here!
Yeah.
Nobody wants to learn history through hip-hop!
Yo. Oh, my God.
No, but I don't have a jersey.
The opinions expressed by Desus and Mero at this moment are not the opinions of Mero, so please do not...
Mero's trying to be in Hamilton.
Yo, I'm trying to be out there with cornrows, extension cornrows, nigga, do a cartwheel. Talking about Scooby-Doo, Aaron Burr. With the wild britches on. With my britches getting bitches.
Then I definitely, I'm like, look at this nigga, man. Whose man is this? I bring everyone from the hood. Everyone from my barbershop come through with Pele. It's like, yo.
Yo, damn, that's Mero? Damn.
Take a photo of you using an iPad.
Look at this nigga, man. Yo, let's jump this nigga after the show.
Do it right now.
Niggas rush the stage and beat me up.
Niggas reading the playbill like, yo, this shit got no nudes in it.
Niggas pulling with my cornrow extensions. I'm like, ow.
You trying to perform, you smell like the wild blunt come from the front row.
Yo, put the hot out, B. Come on, man. We performing.
Fuck up, keep performing.
Come on, man. Yo, come on.
This shit.
Shit ain't even loud. Nigga smoking that mid. Nigga, come on.
Usher comes over with the flashlight, like, excuse me, could you? It's a non-smoking theater.
No loud in this section, please.
Oh. Sorry. Bitch.
Yo, my bad, my nigga.
You just hear somebody open like a bottle of Hennessy. Just hear that pop of the cork.
Yeah. Yo, it's for my nigga Harambe. You know what I'm saying? Nigga pour half the bottle.
Niggas just hit Jerry Seinfeld like, yo, you want a red cup? You want into this shit?
It's like, oh, what's the deal with black people?
Oh, yo.
I have 50 cars.
Yo, shout out to the Mets. They signed
fucking Tim Tebow.
to a minor league contract.
I was like, what? I almost crashed the whip. I was like, is this guy serious?
I was like, what? I was like, am I high right now?
Bruh. Yo, and it's funny because they ran a whole article on Deadspin, shout out to Deadspin, that fucking said that there was mad scouts out there watching him like work out and shit, and they said that he looked like an actor playing a baseball player.
Do you see when he had to hit that home run?
Yeah.
But they showed how many takes it took for that?
Yo, this whipped about 15 times.
This is like a fire ABC show about like what if God's son was a loser?
Oh man. And
he just can't keep a job?
He can't.
Yo, how come where's Tebow getting all these chances from? He played professional football.
He been praying for chances since
on,
college.
Man.
He been praying for chances.
Is he still a virgin?
I don't know. Is he? I think he got married. He married some.
For a while there, him and Lolo Jones was gonna.
Yeah.
I think they were trying to be like virgins together. Is she still a virgin?
I don't know.
Probably.
Man. She probably lying about that too. Didn't she lie about like winning something or like she took PEDs or something? I don't know.
Nah,
I've been saying PEDs like I care. I don't give a fuck about that shit at all. Yo, if you're an athlete, man, use steroids, man. Use all that shit, man.
We're gonna take PEDs when we do the show.
Yeah.
Come out mad juiced up.
You know what I'm saying? I blow it out to the grill before we come in here. Nigga, I do PEDs. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all can do it too.
Oh shit.
You know what I'm saying?
That's not fair though. Because some people can't get PEDs, I guess.
I mean, I feel like if you're playing professional sports, you're in the realm of like hundreds of thousands of dollars, and your team should be like, if A-Rod is got the juice, and I'm like, yo, A-Rod,
I got the juice.
I'm pop, my nigga. Can I hold some juice?
Yo, let me hold something.
You know what I'm saying? He should be like, oh, of course, Desus, I got you, my nigga. Of course, bro. You center fielder, you're hitting smacking 50 home runs this year, my guy.
What basketball player do you think would be better if he was on juice?
I think Melo would dunk like 25% more if he was on steroids.
I don't think that's a steroid. I think Melo just doesn't want to dunk.
He don't want to dunk.
You don't want to dunk.
Yo, I want y'all to go on YouTube and look up Carmelo Anthony attention to detail and look and observe the science of how nice Melo is.
A bully ball.
You know what I'm saying? Straight up. You know what I'm saying? Like the jab step, jab step, jab step. Oh, you put your hand down, grill shot, hold that.
He's gonna have a wonderful season.
Oh, it's gonna be. I told people. I said on Twitter yesterday. I was like, "Yo, Knicks winning 52 games," and I truly believe that 52. And that's me like being like, all right.
Were you high when you wrote that? Were you smacked?
I was super smacked.
Were you did Waze reroute you through Smack City? Turn left at Smack City. Smack City. Rerouting.
She reads it wrong. It's like Smackhead City.
Smackhead City. Smackhead. 300 feet. Smack City.
Yeah, I was smacked, but I mean, it's realistic. If I would have said like 82 games, I would have been like, yo, you're wilding. Yeah. But like 50 games.
You know what? In your heart, you feel 82, but you just can't say that out loud.
You can't say that out loud.
It's like saying Hamilton is whack. You can't say these things out loud.
You can't say this shit out loud.
Yo, what if Lin-Manuel fucks me up? What if how old is he? You got?
He might. I don't know. You never know, B. I don't
never know.
Listen, I've been in too many fights with too many different size people to really just judge a book by its cover.
Right.
Because there's been dudes that are mad big that I watched, and there's been dudes that I have my size that have.
If we go outside right now, like he just dusts me and he's like choking me out on the floor, and like I'm tapping out, and he won't let me tap out. You get involved or nah?
I'll do a Snapchat and be like, yo, damn.
You do a Snapchat?
First, to be like, yo, look at this nigga. Then I'll wash him. But first, I'll be like, damn, you see this? This is fucked up. So then I can have a thing to be like, yo, he's fucked up. You see how fucked up he is? So then it's not just my word against the legion of Hamilton fans.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because we can't come out there with no proof and be like, yo, they'll be like, he would never do that. He was on Sesame Street. You know what I'm saying? The same way they came for the soundtrack.
Now you gotta be scared that he gonna go out there with Muppets. Be out there fucking Grover's kicking me in my head.
Oh, Jesus is Cookie Monster. I'll fucking wash you, nigga.
The count is just like 1, 2,
2 kicks to the head, 2 kicks to your Wigington.
Big Bird just comes and sit on and be like Rashiki.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna plant my cheeks on your face, Jesus. Yo, can't watch my Sesame Street, bro. I can't watch this niggas. My kids watch that shit. My kids will hate me forever. They'll be like, "Daddy, fucked up Cookie Monster."
Just me and you fighting back to back, just duffing out these birds and shit. I was just beating the shit out of Abby Kadabi, like
fuck you,
fucking bitch. Just got a fistful of her hair.
Yo, that just reminded me of that fucking video of that kids party with the fucking it's Elmo, Cookie Monster, and Big Bird.
The Jamaican party. Just like
yes,
Abby Kadabi.
Yo, oh my god.
Oh man.
Fucking Elmo's like jump on wave.
Oh shit. Someone got shot. 2 people got shot at Juve.
Oh shit. Is that a low Instead of yearly
It's like
low?
well, remember NYPD came out with the hashtag, like have a safe Juve or some shit like that, and NYPD hashtags never work. But
NYPD supports Juve low key because they it's always a great photo op for them. You know what I'm saying? Because they'll get caught dancing and be like, "Hey, see, we love black people. We dance with them."
Well, that's the parade.
Yeah,
Juve's the scary shit at night.
Oh.
Which I say is scary because I've been there. That shit is not.
It's not.
That's not.
It's not safe.
Yeah, it's very much
There's a lot of tension in the air.
It's a lot, yeah.
There's a lot of tension.
I don't understand how people party. Like, it's definitely bring the bulletproof vest.
Yeah.
And like, I'm not coming to Brooklyn to wear bulletproof. Like, it's just basically asking to get shot.
Yeah.
It's like people who have. The thing about Juve is like, if you go, you have to bring your gun because everyone else out there has guns.
Yeah.
Now everyone got guns. Now everyone's drinking. Everyone's smoking weed. You might be a rational person in the daytime, but now you got the low devil's eyes and sipping on Ray and Nephew for 5 hours.
And it might not even be you, fam.
You know?
You're
Like catch a stray.
surrounded by people. It's like driving on the highway. You don't know what the next dude in the car is next to you is doing.
Yep.
He might be dusted, fam.
Someone
he might be
might,
like, yo, fuck
someone
you.
might see someone they have beef with across the street and blocking across the thing.
Some nigga might see you across the street and be like, fuck, where's Khalifa? And then just rush you and just start shooting. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man.
Shut the mix pack
Just the mix pack.
in the building.
Fuck Wiz Khalifa.
You know what I'm saying? No, he's cool.
He's cool. He's
I don't
alright.
think Mix Pack, they don't want beef with Wiz Khalifa.
No, it was just for the sound
It was
class.
Sash Clash. I'm like, yo, y'all understand how this works? It's like a battle. You're supposed to diss each other.
Yeah, I mean, don't explain it to us. Explain it to Wiz Khalifa.
Come on. Hey, that shit wasn't cool, dog. Ray J and Wiz Khalifa are the same person, by the way.
I can see that.
In my vocal cords.
I can see that. That's cool. I mean,
That's all right.
it works. No one's complaining. Today is like the anniversary of New York Undercover or something.
Yeah, that's right.
Fuck that.
Which is why we should be fucking coming with the reboot.
You see, they gave
it would be
fucking-
super smart of us to drop for it to have dropped today.
Dude from One Direction, Zayn or whatever.
Zayn, yeah, Malik,
whatever.
yeah.
He's doing a show with Dick Wolf, the coward, who won't call us back.
Yeah. Yo, what's really good, fam? You're really gonna do a police procedural about a boy band before you do the New York Undercover reboot, which is a for sure smash hit.
Banger.
Banger win you 100,000 Emmys. Even if you
Bangers
don't
and
care about
mash
those
and
no more.
stuff.
Fucking win a Peabody.
Definitely get you back in syndication, dog.
All day.
I know those Law and Order checks is big.
Yeah.
I know they're nice.
Yeah. I don't even want to. It makes me sad to think about how much money he got. Because I'm like, damn, will we ever reach that level
Hopefully,
threshold?
but we'll probably be dead before we reach that.
Yeah.
Like, I get it.
How much money would you have to have in your bank account right now for you to be like, yo, what the fuck, and just lose your mind?
Not that much.
But like, no, but like, yo, this is, but like, in not not be like, yo, it's not hype, but like, yo, whoa, you know what I'm saying?
Oh,
You just
like-
start spending money and going crazy, wild. I'm sorry.
Well, probably 400 million. Like that much. It's like anything else, I'm gonna be like the mad, still cheap Desus. All right, driving my late model car, buying bruised fruit and dented. I buy the dented cans in the supermarket. Well, I save 38 cents. You might get botulism, but the savings is there.
It expires tomorrow, but
It's
for
still-
$1,
no,
can't beat it.
doesn't expire. It just says sell by date. It's fine. You keep it refrigerated.
Yo.
Bad milk turns into sour cream. It's you're buying two products at once.
Does it really?
It doesn't.
Yo.
Look at all this food here. It's perfectly good food, and they're just throwing it out like garbage.
My mom
Wait
used
till
to
you see
make
me dumpster diving at Christini's with a canvas bag.
No.
They're gonna be like, "Isn't that Young Chipotle?"
Oh.
I'm like,
With mad Vice tote bags.
yeah. Call me Desus H Savings.
Yeah.
Oh,
My mom used to make like a sweet cortada, niggas used to call it, out of like whole rotten milk. It was
Yeah.
like a milk
I
go
think you could do
bad and
something
then
like
make like
that.
candy type of shit out of
yeah.
it. Shout out to her. That shit was not that great, but you know what I'm saying? Made it happen.
No. Okay. I thought that was a touching Mero story, but he was like, it wasn't that great.
The arroz con leche was lit, like the rice pudding.
Yeah.
Bruh, oh my gosh. My mom, every time she comes back, I'm like, yo, you gotta finish like an entire pot of this for me to like store.
Why don't you
This is
ask
mad
her
good.
next time to finesse you a nice platter of steamed vegetables?
Because it doesn't taste as good as the arroz con leche. You know what I'm saying?
We're
Y'all
gonna
niggas, y'all know.
do
Shout
an
out to all my
intervention
people.
at your house, man. Walk in and be like, yo, read you the letters and
Stop,
stuff.
because your mom was back here and she was making the little tamarind balls and you was
Right.
fucking like
Well, because my mother doesn't do nice things. So I was excited off of that. All right. Oh, boy. See, now you mentioned her. She's going to come up here soon.
so yeah.
You got me.
I summoned her.
You summoned her. She's going to come and just destroy my life. Just kicking the door like, what's going on?
No.
What's going on? Why are you on TV?
You're gonna turn into the fucking little Dominican kid like, I know fucking baby. I fucking man.
She doesn't know I have a show.
I'm laughing like I'm not even sure that my mom knows either.
No. I didn't even bother telling her. What's the point? Yeah. It's literally I'll be like,
I'm gonna tell my mom it's just gonna be
because it's like you said. Remember about like people blowing your high?
Yeah.
Like you could tell someone else this, and they'd be like, "Yo, this is so fucking wild." Like I'll tell them, like,
Shout out to my man Donovan, who his daughter's first birthday was this past week, and you know how like if it's a big event and also her christening,
right?
So it's like a big thing, and he's like doing a speech at the end. He's like doing a toast. He's like, "Yo, I wanna, you know what I'm saying." Also congratulate people who are having big things going on. And he's like, congratulations, people who just got married, people just had baby. Out of nowhere, he's like, yo, shout out to my nigga Mero who's coming out with the I was like, oh, hey. I stood up at him like, hey. I was mad guys. Like,
there you go.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you.
You gotta sometimes you have to sing your own praises.
Hell yeah.
And you know, if people were rocking with you got to rock with them.
Yeah.
And you have to also watch the people who are not clapping at your success.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you got snakes.
Slither in the grass, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta cut the grass to see the snakes.
That's right. Stinky Boji.
In my street, this is for my street motivational church. It's coming soon.
I gave you the Wall Street motivational sermon the other day. I was like, yo, my nigga, when you go home tonight, open Twitter, look in your mentions, search for the hatred. Because if you ain't got no haters, you ain't popping.
You said it. You said it. I was like, yo.
Look for the hatred.
That was it right there.
That was barbershop wisdom.
That's barbershop wisdom right there, definitely. That's the kind of wisdom your barber gets after you cut your head and, you know, he ends your haircut with a kiss. Yeah.
Little nigga, baby.
Kisses your lineup. You're done here.
Immaculate.
Wow.
Yo, shout out to my man, speaking of fucking immaculates and kisses and being mad gentle, my man Drake opened up a strip club called Ballet.
Yes, he did.
It's called Ballet?
It's called the Ballet Strip Club. I listen.
But he was saying that it's not a strip club.
It's some sort of
like a go-go shit? Like where the girls don't
You know what? Sometimes I see links on Twitter and I'm like, all right, that's enough information. I don't need to know the whole story.
I don't need to delve any deeper. That's exactly what I did. I just read the headline and I was like, okay.
In my head, I'm like, am I interested?
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not that.
I'll watch a video. I'll wait for the World Star video to come out.
Yeah, like if the information somehow makes its way into my head, then you know maybe. Yeah. But I'm not going. I'd rather have the unlimited realm of possibilities of what could possibly be going on.
What it could be, right?
You know?
You don't want to spoil the surprise.
You know,
because it might be something. It might actually just be a ballet studio.
Could just be that. Could just be that.
Yeah, imagine you go there, just drinks on the bar and shit with the leg warmers. Like, what's good, guys?
Oh, ballerina feet.
Ballerina feet. Got hip hop class at noon. You guys down?
Are you down? Are you down?
We're doing Rhythm Nation.
Oh man, ballet strip club. Can I open a strip club?
You can open a strip club.
Yeah.
What do you call it? The jerk truck.
The jerk truck. Wow. That's...
a little double entendre. You know what I'm saying?
Wow, Mero.
Get your meat smoked in the back.
Come on, wave. Oh, Mero, you're wilding today, man. You are out there. You can get your meat smoked in the back.
You know what I'm saying? That's for all my sex workers out here. We sex positive.
We sex positive.
You know
we sex posy.
You know what I'm
sex
saying?
posy. That's the name of also our soca group.
Yeah.
Sex posy. Sex posy. Sexo. Shout out to Bodega Hive. We have mail here from Hong Kong.
Wow.
I'm not even kidding. It has a custom stamp from DHL.
Okay.
It's to Desus Nice and the kid Mero at Red Bull Studio. Well, you know, 220 West 18th Street.
Okay.
We're gonna open it. Hopefully, a big puff of anthrax to start coming out.
Like I was gonna say a midget, but a little person with SARS comes out and it's like in your face, then jumps back in the envelope. Okay.
Wow.
What is
It's a bunch of bracelets that say, "What would Desus do?"
These are perfect for your church, dog.
Wow. Okay. We're gonna have to distribute these somehow. Who sent these? Person. Shouts to you. There's like a letter. Silver Noble International Limited.
How are you, guy?
Come send us tickets. We'll come out to Hong Kong. We will do a free show at Hong Kong in your office.
Detailed description of goods. Oh, I thought this was like a letter being like, "Hey guys, I love you. Here's the things."
That's cool.
Shout out to you, my guy.
Shout out to the Bodega Hive,
You know
man.
what I mean?
We got fans. We got fans on deck. Yo, shout out to everyone I saw at the Yeezy concert.
True.
They were very excited. Bodega Hive was out there, took a lot of pictures. You know what I'm saying? It was lit.
Littington.
Oh, damn, man. These bands are kind of fuego.
Bands will make a dance.
Yeah, do they what?
They make a dance.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, bands make a dance. That's that's actually a progressive feminist anthem. about paying women their proper pay for the work done.
You
it's
know,
about
women
equality.
get paid 70% what men get paid.
Who?
Yeah,
I don't think that's right.
I'm trumping it out here.
You didn't deliver it with enough conviction. You gotta own it.
Do you know women make only 70% what men make?
Speak on it.
That's atrocious.
Speak on it, Mero the feminist.
You know what I'm saying?
Mero the feminist.
You know what I'm saying?
Feminist Mero.
Gloria Steinem Mero. Gloria Steinem was a feminist, right?
You know what?
Just throwing them names.
Yeah, she is. You know what? If you could roll a blunt, you could make a tampon.
Yeah.
Yeah. You should come out with a lot. You know what? You're not exploring all the avenues.
That's right.
You got to find out like what Heather needs and be like, yo, this is what women want.
That's true. Makeup and shit.
Yeah.
Like makeup
artists. Come out with a line of makeup.
Yo, like Kylie Jenner. If Kylie Jenner could do it,
you could do it.
I could definitely do it.
Come out with a line of makeup specifically for Dominican women.
Call this guy. Yo, for your eyebrows.
Well, you don't really rock with Dominican women. For Jewish white women.
Nah, I rock with all my Latinas. I love y'all. Yo, shout out to I said yesterday there's a lot of Kim K's in Dykeman right now, and it's true. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all hyping up Kim, but there's a lot of women who look naturally have the cheeks on deck. You know what I'm saying?
What do their cheeks have to do with their self-worth?
Nothing at all. I'm just saying, like, they don't have to go and do things to themselves in order to appear to conform to a standard of beauty that is not their natural state. You know what I'm saying?
Speak on it.
You feel me? All my sisters out there on the
because everybody is beautiful, right?
That's right.
Nope. Nope.
That's not true. Tell yourself that, but that's not true.
Nah, I mean, if you find yourself beautiful, that's what's important.
That's cool.
That's cool. Because listen, you won't be everyone's cup of tea.
Listen, the best sex you're ever gonna have is with yourself.
Is that jail wisdom? What is that?
Yeah, that was a jail. That was a jail dart. That's absolutely not true.
That doesn't make sense. That's sick.
It's supposed to make sense. It sounds like it makes sense. Yeah, it sounds.
That sounds
deep.
like Facebook deep. Like you know what? Like if you're a pretty girl and you put that underneath a caption, I'll probably press like.
Yeah, absolutely.
I've liked dumber shit on Instagram.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
I could attribute that to Marilyn Monroe. I could be like, yo, Marilyn Monroe said that.
That's true.
Instant.
That sounds
100,000 likes. Lit. Let's do it.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Life is so vapid and meaningless.
So meaningless.
So meaningless. We're just on a rock.
This is the Nihilist Hour with
Dark Desus.
Dark Desus and Misery, man.
Just think about it. What if our whole lives is just leading us up to this moment about having a show and we just
perish?
It just ends right before the
Damn. I thought about that.
Go to black.
I thought about that. And that's fucking terrible.
I was driving the other day and I was like, yo, I feel like Vice needs to put us in like a secure space until the show starts.
Yo, let's just shoot this shit out my crib.
There's just way too many. Like I'm walking around with like bubble tape around myself, trying to protect myself. Yeah. I think the brand is strong, but it's also very fragile.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Oh man.
Oh man,
damn,
we should never be in the same place at the same time, just to protect the brand.
That's true.
Like the president and the vice president.
That's true.
But then we'd have to like Skype in for like a podcast and shit.
Yeah, but when you're super popping, people don't even care. They just want to see your face. They don't care if it's on a screen.
Yeah.
If you would have went to that Kanye show and the first hour was just him on a screen, you might have been kind of mad, but you wouldn't have been that mad.
True.
You know what I'm saying? You would have been like, yo, this is art. He's doing something different. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, anything he does, I'm going to say that regardless.
You know what I mean? So that's the type of shit we got.
You just got to find someone who loves you the way I love Kanye.
That's it.
And supports the bullshit. That's a good relationship there. It's actually called enabling, but you know.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, whatever.
Can't listen. The same letters in enable are in love. So, did you know that headphones?
Definitely an L.
I have another hot take.
And an E.
Don't worry about the spelling. We move fast. Another hot take.
Shoot it.
We lost headphones this year. Who else did we lose this year? Starts with an H.
Headphones.
Starts with an H. Harambe.
I was gonna say Prince. I was like, Prince definitely is a P.
Damn, I was gonna come up with a P. Damn, you ruined a Prince joke too. But yeah, Harambe.
Damn, who's blowing it up?
I don't know. If I have mad text messages like this, I just assume 9/11 happened again.
Yeah.
So
and we're in here in this secure space.
It is.
You know what I'm saying? Well,
yeah, we got the Versus party, the yacht party.
True.
This weekend.
That's right.
Tomorrow, come through.
Wait, not tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. Saturday night.
When you're hearing this, it'll be tomorrow.
True.
You know what I'm saying?
We also got Henny Palooza out in Coney Island Beach. If you're going to that,
wow,
it's out there.
It's a lot of things happening.
It's a lot of things.
You should come through and just do Snapchat everywhere.
Yeah, listen. This is a test. This is the end of the summer. See how washed you are. Mm-hmm. This is like the final lap.
Final lap.
If you could get through
victory
this,
lap.
yeah. You get through this, you earned your summer.
You earned it, and then you just chill. And I don't like to use the term cuffing season because, you know what I'm saying, there's no such thing as cuffing season.
Yeah, I feel like social media has removed cuffing season.
Yeah.
Because I was just like, yo, it's just like, it's just...
Social. I mean, I feel like social media is the reason that there's no cuffing season. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like, before you had to meet people like on the street and then like.
I think cuffing season might work more for like if you're going to school because it coincides with you being at school.
True.
But like once you're out of school, or you're a real nigga never went to school, or your school got defunded last week, rest in peace to my ITT people. Yeah, you know, you just out there checking and decking, shooting your shot on Twitter.
True. Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
teeing, liking this tweet,
Oh, man.
retweeting that tweet.
What's the first maneuver? Like if you're like, yo, I think Shorty's.
You know, it's a clear sign
Yeah.
if they like your selfie and then immediately follow you on Twitter. If they like one of your like selfie things to follow,
And it's not like a
that's
picture
like
of
a blur.
shoes or
Yeah,
or
that's like
yeah.
I get like the wild mixed messages, like they're like a pair of sneakers. And they're like,
Why did you like this? Yeah.
then
why
they
you
got
liking-
also if you got a locked account and you follow someone, but you like have a pretty picture, it's just like, what are you doing? You always say one time.
Yeah.
Come on, guy.
Why you playing chicken with me? You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not.
Sometimes you gotta be like, what are you doing? Unlock your account so I can love you.
Yeah.
Your soulmate is probably following your Instagram right now from a private account.
Terrible.
And they got a terrible avatar and you don't even know what they
You don't
look
even
like.
know.
And they could make you happier than any person in your whole life.
Happier than
but you'll
fluff makes me.
never know.
You never know because you don't.
So sad.
Because you're too scared.
Too scared you want to be anonymous on
saying?
Instagram. Why you got your page private, yo?
Yeah.
Grow up.
Grow up, man. This is the internet.
Most of the
age.
people who have like I used to feel like people who have private pages had something to hide. But I find now that most people who have private pages just want to be wild dickheads on other people's pages.
Hell yeah.
It's like why? Why I gotta be like that?
Why gotta be like that? Why you gotta make everything private? Why you gotta make your Twitter private so that if I see a cool exchange between you and another person that I
And you
just want to learn,
you keep clicking it like what am I missing here?
What is happening? Why did you go from here to here and I don't see what's in the
It
middle?
has your name, it has another person's name.
Yes!
And then like their response is like LOL stop. And you're like, whoa.
Wait a
LOL
minute.
stop
No,
on what?
no. You can't just say that. I'm me, so I got to see what you just
What
said.
happened? What'd she say?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
What'd she say? Give me your phone, Keisha. What did she say? Don't make me chase you through the Palisades Mall again.
Yeah. But yeah, if you ain't got no haters, you ain't popping. There's a couple people out there. I wouldn't even say y'all names because you niggas are suckers.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Shout out to people, you know, you've been hating for a long time. And the
Yeah.
same amount of time you've been hating,
ahead.
you know, we went from...
I hope it makes your fucking teeth strong.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Hater.
Get
Turn
on the
yourself
ground.
around. Fucking clown.
We on TV.
Oh, shit.
Suck my pee-pee.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Don't want to say that out loud.
Yeah, no.
Sponsors are here.
Yeah.
I'm trying to move up, man. You got the house, but you know, don't you want like the fire pit?
Oh yeah,
and
no.
the-
I was telling her that I was like, yo, this is our first house.
Wow, okay.
I was just like, I was like, we're gonna be out of here in 2.5 years. I'm just making that bold prediction right now. You know what I'm saying? Because I like the house.
Right.
I started Damian Lemon. I
Guys,
like the house.
I heard that.
I like the house. But I like there's other houses that I see because I'm in the course of like looking at houses. I saw another house that I really liked, but it needed like $50,000 worth of work. You know what I'm saying? But it was a fucking nice house, and it was back. It wasn't on the street.
Are you gonna start flipping houses?
My brother's trying to get me like in that mindset, but I'm like, that's too stressful for me, B.
I could see you on like one of those like real estate boards, like smiling in the vest, like
Like, yo, what's good?
no one seller in Bergen County.
While smack the shit with the snapback backwards, like, yo,
Say habla español.
super hot properties in Patterson.
You're just like walking them through an open house while smoking an L.
Yo, ash in the sink.
Yo, this shit is lit. Look at this.
Niggas
Look at
got
this.
the double
Fucking,
sink right here.
look, there's a fucking sunken living room
You know
and
what I
shit.
mean?
This is like an ashtray for humans and shit.
This is official. Yo, look at the
Wow.
deck. Just got the shit stained. You know what I'm saying?
She's like, yo, watch this, yo. Throw him the phone and just jump in the pool.
With my suit on.
She's crazy, yo. She's crazy, yo. You want to buy this house?
Like
She's
Fat Joe
wild.
nigga. Jump in the pool with the mink on.
The person is like, I thought you were showing my house. You just cooking in your boxes, eating fluff. Just making a wild smack food. Like, yo, the open house is done. But I'm saying I was here, so.
I'm frying salami.
She be
And
like,
I also
yo.
got peanut butter sandwich.
Is that Netflix?
How are you?
How'd you get the Wi-Fi?
They still have paid in full on? Wow. Throw that shit on. That's my shit.
You got mad blunt. You got mad weed on the counter and shit. You got your grinder out. Just mad felonious. Mad snacks. You got Kit Kat wrappers and shit. They're like, yo, we let you in the house for 3 hours. Nigga tagged up the walls.
How'd you use the lockbox? We didn't give you the fucking information.
Oh.
Yo, shout out to them. But yeah, nah, I got, bigger
Got lofty
ideas,
ambitions.
you know
That's
what I'm
good. You said it from day one. You was like, you wanted a house?
saying? Yeah.
You got it.
Got it. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, I should
Vision
have-
board.
I should buy a house,
You know
right?
what I'm saying? Buy a copper crib. Why
Have a
not?
crib.
Or not, like your lifestyle's more like, yo, get in like a nice like apartment somewhere.
You know what? I'm
or,
trying.
like,
I'm
a
actually.
condo.
I sat down the other day and I was like, what is my brand? What is the Desus brand?
Right.
As far as, if you're getting a house, After also, I think I'm gonna go that like kind of scumbag Charlie Sheen, but not all the way
Not
like
all the
Charlie
way.
Sheen.
Yeah, not
trying
like-
to get the tiger blood.
Yeah, you don't want that tiger blood.
All right.
No.
I'm not trying to get the hot toddies in the blood vein. You know, I just want to be out there.
You just want to be locked in the fucking Waldorf with
Right.
With Pinot bitches and shit. Like, just
See, even
mobbing.
that doesn't sound fun.
Mobbing.
But
It sounds annoying. Actually.
It sounds annoying.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll just chill. I think I'm gonna buy one of those old Mercedes Benzes that old Jamaican men like.
Do that.
That has like that can only drive with diesel.
You have biodiesel. Yo, you gotta fucking buy a fucking Dr. Sismore's crib.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Perfect.
It's so tacky and gaudy. It'd be
perfect.
great.
Great.
Yeah.
And then it's big enough to transition if you want to do Daddy Jesus later on. The crib can transition seamlessly.
I think it has a fountain in the kitchen, and I feel like if you have a baby, you can't really have a fountain in the kitchen. Like I'm really not trying I'm really not trying to come down the steps and see my wife crying and my baby floating face up in a fountain.
Oh!
Dark Jesus.
Dark Jesus. Then you get back close to the baby. He's like, psych, nigga.
Yeah, I thought it was funny one, daddy. Oh God.
You turn around, your wife was like, "Oh shit, your robot wife."
I just had like this night, just panic. This like, what if my kid is like the wild, smart, alecky asshole like me?
That's what happens. Your kids take after you.
Yeesh.
My kids already are like.
First time that kid's like, I hear both sides into the wall.
Ooh.
Pow.
Pow! What the fuck did you say?
He said, guys, takes a crayon, is all across the white carpet. I'm like, oh yeah. She's like, God's working on all of us. I'm like, no, he's not, Conrad.
Conrad Jones fat. He's like,
Conrad, Luther, Lester, get over here.
we're all riding our own horse, Dad.
No, you're not. Wilberforce, get down here.
Your both sides, Dad.
Give all my kids the wild, harsh Jamaican names so they have rough lives. Adeline, Patricia Ann, Gail,
Patricia Ann. Shout out my cousin
Clifford.
Clifford. Yo, why'd you making people give their kids mad old people names early in the game?
Because you grow when
This
you're
is
born, you're
Clifford
old.
and Margaret.
When you're born, you're old to Jamaica. Just come out the placenta frowning like, why is it so wet in there? Eat a placenta for 9 months. And a jackfruit.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh man.
My son is in the womb, ordering placenta. I was like, nah, I'm not. No, that's all they got is placenta. Can I get some placenta?
Just ran out.
Yo, shout out to placenta. Shout out to you fucking maniacs that eat placenta.
I'm gonna do that.
That's so ill to me.
I'm gonna do that.
That's so ill to me.
You gotta do that. You gotta like look your wife in the eyes and both of you bite into placenta at the same time.
That's wild. Because if you see
Also, put it on Facebook to make your immediate family uncomfortable, because that's what Facebook is for now.
yeah.
Just
I
making
would never
people-
do that. That's wild. Yeah.
And act like it's completely normal. Act like it's just
That's
the normal
so ill.
shit ever.
Nah, that's so
or
ill to me.
even better, invite people over.
Oh no.
Serve it.
No.
Oh, and at the end, they'd be like, I'm glad we could share this with you. It meant so much.
No.
We're all part of each other now.
There's a fucking cheese tray off to the side. I don't want to fucking eat a cheese tray. I just got fucking placenta splashed
It's
on me.
placenta pate. Yeah, this is clear warning. If
Damn.
I have a kid and you come to my house too soon after the kid, you know what you eating.
They say shit is like but this like stem cells.
It's
and
good.
shit?
The stem cells is rich in oxygen.
Okay. Stem cells are the future, B.
They are
Wow.
the future.
They are the motherfucking future.
That's a pretty empty statement. What does
Yeah,
that mean? That's a very Trump statement.
It is.
Stem cells are future.
Stem cells are the future. Let me tell you, a lot of people talk about stem cells, and they're great. I'm gonna get the best stem cells together, and they're gonna be the best stem cells you ever saw in your life. I promise. I'm gonna get the best people.
You know, America doesn't have good stem cells anymore.
America, all the good stem cells are in Mexico with all the rapists. I'm gonna get them to build the stem cell for us. They're gonna pay for it. It's gonna be
So have
magnificent.
a stem cell wall.
Yeah, stem cells, the whole wall of stem cells.
Just as the Mexicans are coming over, they're just getting stronger and stronger. By the time they reach the top, they just hop down like, hey!
Órale, güey.
Trump, what do you do? What did you do?
I told you it's a dominant culture, and what is going to happen is going to be taco trucks on every corner. Shout out to the fucking Latinos for Trump guy who just totally made up the whole organization and himself.
He said taco trucks on every corner.
like it was a bad thing. Like it wasn't like that's not the best
Like
thing
that's
ever.
not like the lit thing. Well, it depends on the tacos. Depends on the
Tacos, if they're official.
Because
Are you LA Jesus now?
you know I'm very specific about my
These are
tacos.
good tacos, man.
These are good tacos. These are good. You call these tacos? I had the best tacos in Hollywood Hill on a Wednesday. It was underneath a redwood tree.
Are you kidding me? I was right on. It was right on Enrique Iglesias Boulevard on Encinitas.
You don't even know tacos.
You don't even know tacos.
You don't even know
dude.
tacos.
You don't even know tacos, dude.
You don't know tacos.
You don't fucking tacos, dude. You got extra fucking guac on your shit, bro.
I was with Keira Knightley, and she put me onto a spot.
Come on, dude. It's on fucking right in
on Fairfax.
Yeah, right on Fairfax and Carnitas, dude.
Are you gonna walk?
Are you kidding
me?
Like, give me a break, dude.
That
It's
doesn't
right
make
on
tacos.
Chalupa Street. Like, are you fucking joking? It's the best. Because I remember niggas put out that picture of Pig Taco, and the entire mentions was just straight ether. That's not real tacos. That's not real tacos. You niggas is frying. That's not real tacos. I was like, bro, we're gonna get hit
from
by
inside the car. Like, I was just driving by.
Yo, I thought we were gonna get hit with the drive-by.
Yo,
so
people were taking their tacos. Listen, shout out to LA. They take their tacos very seriously.
Very serious.
It's like us with the chopped cheese.
True.
You know?
Okay.
And Burger King has the Whopperito or whatever.
Whopperito.
Which is basically a gentrified corporate chopped cheese. Don't do it to yourself.
That's true.
Don't do it to.
But is it in a tortilla though? It's
yeah,
not a bread.
it's like in a wrap or something like
that. But
that.
they do got shorty that's doing the artisanal her interpretation of chopped cheese. I forgot what her name is. She's some chef.
Yeah, she's charging mad money for it, right?
She's like $30.
Yeah.
$30 for chopped cheese?
Listen, you can't have a good chopped cheese from a place that doesn't have graffiti in the storefront, a Newport sign, a cat that sits on the bread, and threat of violence.
That's right.
All right, you need it. You need all these things.
And a very mismanaged little Debbie rack.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
If Poppy got the wild attitude, even though he likes you, you know you're going to get the fire food. You walk in, you're like, hey, good morning. He's like,
Okay, Moreno, dímelo. Te compro tu vaina y vete de ahí, coño. You're like, yo, you're my godfather, bro. You grew up with my dad. Like, why you treating me like this?
oh, man.
Coño.
There's a guy at my bodega every time I come, no matter what time it is. I'm like, hey, how's it going? He's just, fucking people. I was like, all right, maybe this is not the storefront for you.
Maybe that's his release of the day. You never know. That could be his like one cathartic moment of the day. Like, yo, I'm releasing everything.
I'm always very polite to him, but everyone else that comes in the store is just wild dickhead.
Yo, Poppy, yo, fuck you.
Like,
that's
cut the line. Just be like, yo, like, there's like 6 people online. Like, yo, let me get a loot.
Yo, what the fuck?
The fuck's line
moving? Fuck? Yo, Poppy,
yo,
what the
play
fuck,
my numbers
nigga?
right there. 7-1 straight box, double box, 799
shut the fuck up. Yo, let me get a turkey sandwich, B. Fuck this nigga, man. He's playing numbers. I'm trying to get out of here, Poppy. Yo, hurry the fuck up. Hurry the fuck up.
Yo, this girl got bacon, egg, and cheese.
Yo.
With bacon, egg, and cheese with mayo this morning. I was like, what?
I used to do that in high school, but I was smacked. I would get mayo, ketchup and mayo.
Yo, your blood vessels gotta be like.
Yeah. But I was super smacked. So I would used to get the bacon, egg, and cheese, ketchup and mayo, and a tropical fantasy cola.
How are you alive and how did you have kids?
That's the New York City.
Because you know Tropical Fantasy.
We're
bringing back that rumor. It's a Nutbusters.
It's the Nutbusters.
The KKK owns Tropical Fantasy and they're using it to sterilize black people.
Can I tell you where I'm at right now in life? That I was gonna I was not gonna say Tropical Fantasy. I was gonna say Nutbuster, and then I was like, is that problematic? What is the connotation? And I was like, oh wait, it just lowers the sperm count. I thought it was something else, but it's good.
Right.
See,
certain terms lose their okay. Remember I said we can't shooting up the club.
True, yeah.
After the Orlando shit, you can't really be on Twitter like, yo,
shoot
up the club. Yep. Nope.
I said yesterday, I was like, yo, we're shooting in the Bronx tomorrow. He's like, what? Firearms? Like what? Like what?
Shorty had Vice. I did the thing, and I was like, yo, you know when you beating it up, and she thought I meant beating up a woman.
Yeah.
She was like, this
really
domestic violence
against women.
I'm like, no, not like that. You know, you beating it up.
No, like you got, like
you shifting them guts.
Oh my god, damn, that's crazy. Yeah,
crazy.
That's wild.
That's wild.
See? Oh,
look, you working. God's working.
Check yourself.
Listen, we're all riding on horses.
See, that's
Have
how
you
you
given
know
your horse
ready.
a sugar cube?
I've given my horse a sugar cube, and he's chasing the carrot right now, straight to the top.
There you go.
Know what I'm saying? Got
We
the
should
carrot on
write.
the fishing pole.
We should write some really cheesy motivational books.
Yo, you know what?
Using
actually,
that.
That's very true because remember how back in the day, like, you used to go to everybody's crib and they used to have like the footprints thing and like that weird like little art type of shit, and it's just like art with like a random saying.
When you look behind you and you saw one set of footprints,
that's when they carried you. We got to come up with that type of shit.
We're going to do one for the
Target.
Bronx. And just be like, when I look behind me and there was one set of Timbs, that's when I carried you, B.
Let's carried you, my nigga.
Had you, my nigga. Yo, straight FitX.
Straight FitX, I was holding you down.
I
You know
was
what I'm
holding
saying?
you down, all right? Yo, good luck, good luck, God. Gonna have Jesus on a crucifix with a Yankee fitted.
Yo, I sacrificed my shit for y'all niggas, man.
Yo, good looks, Jesus. Good looks, my Messiah.
Yo, fucked up my Timbs for y'all.
Yo, they don't know what they do. Forgive them for they don't know what they do, B. We're writing a Bible for New Yorkers. It's gonna be like Adam and Eve, and God's gonna be like, yo, check this shit out. Check this shit out. Come 212 with me, right?
Yo.
Like, all right,
So
peep this hot shit right here.
God?
You could eat on any of these fucking trees, right? Any of these fucking trees.
I bet.
This tree right here, though, my nigga.
This shit right here?
Yeah, it's quiet for this tree.
This shit, the
You
apple
can't
tree?
eat at this tree, my nigga.
Why?
Nah.
I'm good?
Nah, you dead on this. Don't violate me,
I'm
man.
dead?
Yo, don't violate me on this tree, my nigga.
All right, I got you.
Yo.
No.
Yo, keep it 100 with me. If I see you and your bitch eat from this tree,
on.
it's gonna be, we're gonna have static.
My nigga, I got you.
Yo.
You got this. You the OG.
Yo.
You got this.
Adam.
You good.
Adam.
My nigga, I got you, I promise.
Yo, don't play with me, nigga.
We good.
Yo, as soon as this nigga leave, we gonna eat these fucking apples. Fuck this nigga, man. He's pussy.
Guy came back like, yo, are you serious? Is these niggas serious? Did these niggas really eat from my tree?
Yeah, I ate from your tree, nigga. What's up, nigga? I see you out here on the block. You been holding it down for mad long. I think it's my turn to be God, son. Okay. I think I'm trying to cook. Them apples was mad good. You know what I'm saying? Niggas been apple picking.
Say it's in the corner like, yo, you gonna let him talk to you like that?
You nah, fuck that.
You gonna take that shit?
Nah, fuck that. You right.
Yo, Eve, jump in that shit.
Chill, I only got one rib.
Who we gonna read it? We need a New Yorker. We need someone with a New York accent to read.
Cardi B gotta be Eve.
Cardi B is gonna.
Yo, he's pussy. Eat that apple.
You and your wife, get out of my sanctuary. Like the Garden of Eden was just a bunch of projects. They just get thrown out.
Garden of Eden wall.
Get out. You're banished. You can never come back to Eden wall.
All right, fuck that nigga. We going to Jackson. Fuck
Get
that.
out of here. You're going to watch from Baychester. And for 40 days and 40 nights, Adam and Eve wandered through the wilderness of Section 5.
Yo, let's hop on a 2-train, B. My legs is dumb tired, B.
Yo, imagine Noah, the Noah story in the fucking Bronx, and he's just collecting pit bulls for the ark.
Yo, I need a pink nose, though. I need a pink nose joint.
Yo, I got 2 blues.
I already got blue joint.
I got some roosters and shit. His wife is like, yo, what the fuck is you building, Noah?
Yo, what the fuck,
What the
my
fuck
nigga?
is all this wood?
Yo, what's really good with you? Like,
You said you were gonna get a job. You in here building arcs and shit. You don't even. You build an ark.
Yo, why you stressing me, though, man? Damn, this bitch always stressing me, yo. God
Talking
hit
about-
me up last night.
You what? It's gonna rain.
God hit me up last night. He was like, yo, it's
So
gonna
it's gonna
rain
rain.
OD. Like, but yeah, it's gonna rain, my
It's
nigga, but it's
gonna
gonna
rain
rain
OD.
OD rain.
It's gonna rain OD.
Like
I know.
OD.
You got all these pit bulls in here.
come
They're
on.
loud. They're shitting everywhere.
Let me ask you something, man. Is your Tim's waterproof?
Of course they are.
So then get ready for this shit, my nigga, because it's gonna rain OD.
This is bullshit. This is bullshit because my Pele is velour and I don't need this. And then it just starts raining. He's like,
I told you. Oh.
Who feels stupid now?
Oh.
Who feels stupid now? Noah's wife is played by
Text the bitch
Yesenia.
the wee big for shit like. Yeah.
He wakes up every morning like, oh, seems like a lot of water out here.
Damn. It's looking dumb wet outside.
Whose husband was right? You was.
You was right. I'm right. Whatever. You had your little shit. You did your little shit. Okay,
Okay.
nigga, you got lucky. You guessed the weather one time. Wow. Wow.
Look at that.
Now
Look
you
at that.
same champion, nigga. Now this nigga knows the weather every day. Oh, yo, it's gonna rain. Oh, it's gonna rain. We gotta build a big ass bow and get mad pit bulls. Fucking stupid.
Oh, could you be quiet? I think God's talking to me again.
Oh yeah, that's that fucking dust you smoking. Stupid.
Dust got us on this boat. Pull up on La Marina and this shit. And that's
what
where the ark
that's
lands.
where the ark
The ark lands at La Marina. And they unload all the pit bulls.
First Montana got the 10 Commandments and shit like, yo. First commandment, thou shalt not hate, nigga. Get second commandment, get this money.
While the fucking 10 Commandments at the bottom it says sponsored by Ciroc.
Yo, Drake, come get this.
Oh, shit. Oh, listen, this Bible's gonna be lit.
Oh, it's gonna be very
Sunday
lit.
school at the BX Academy.
They're not ready.
Bring your kids.
Yo, Shane Smith is hype right now. He just did the wild shoelace nigga off the coffee table.
Oh,
Like,
listen, shoot
Can't
a
wait.
He's like, I'm buying another house. Just keep buying houses. Shane Smith about to buy a house to put in his house.
just play Monopoly for real.
He's just gonna call and be like, I heard you guys.
Brand is so fucking strong, eh?
Tamika told me to send you money.
That sounds like the most jail ass sentence. Yo, Tamika said send me money.
Who the fuck is Tamika? I was on your phone. Who the fuck is Tamika? I'll be like, it's Tamika Smith. It's Shane Smith's wife. I don't give a fuck who she is. Show me a picture.
Oh, so now you think I'm stupid like this?
That's
weapon.
Tamika?
Oh, that's okay. All right. Nigga, I just Googled this shit. Look. Shorty look like Nicole Kidman baby version. Nigga, look at this.
Oh, man. Jeez.
Damn.
Damn. Lying.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, you know, niggas out here.
Finish one bottle of
Did you see Michelle Obama? She had the cakes. The photo.
Yo.
No, listen, respectful. I'm being respectful.
Straight up. I did not quote that tweet and say that because I want to be respectful, but I definitely was thinking it 100,000%.
She brought out the breadfruit.
Yo.
Listen, that's how Barack got through it.
Yo. Shorty's dragging a wagon. Look at
I
him.
did not know.
He's like, God damn it, Michelle, you are dragging a wagon.
I did not know she had that. I did not know she was coming
Oh,
through
you
with
didn't know
the
Shorty
Popeye.
had the cheeks on deck?
I didn't know she had the Popeyes biscuits. I did not know.
Fresh joints.
So he's like, right out the oven.
Right. Shit's steaming when you open the box.
Popeyes. Yo, shout out to Michelle. Because whoever is the next first lady is going to be swaggerless or first male.
I mean, that would be dope for Bill Clinton to be the first man.
Yeah.
What is the male version of lady? It's not master, is it?
I think he's just
Lord?
like the first dude.
The first lord?
First guide.
First guy?
First boo.
First bay?
Him there. First bay.
Yeah, give Bill Clinton.
It's my nigga Bill.
It's my nigga. Yo, I'm surprised.
She's like my
calls him-
SO. She makes it wild uncomfortable.
Yeah, she wakes up. Bill's watching Pino on the laptop and shit. Like, Bill, what are you doing? He's like, just getting money early in the day, Hillary. Got to get my joints right.
Oh
Fucking
shit.
weirdo. But yo, if you think about it, there's not ever been a first lady that you've seen and been like, yo, all right. You know what I'm saying? Think about it.
Barbara Bush, the first one.
No!
She had a pearl necklace and
Nah, stop! Damn! Is Shorty still with us in this life of living?
Who, Barbara Bush?
Yeah.
I'm pretty. Oh, that's okay. We gotta get ready for when we're rich, so we can make stupid bets like this. So we'll be like, I bet you
$1,000.
I bet you $2 million.
$2 million?
$2 million.
I bet you $2 million in a tennis court in Calabasas.
Barbara Bush, is she alive?
She's definitely alive.
Still alive.
Yeah.
So then, like, I'd have to buy you like a tennis court or some shit.
Yeah, for my birthday. Wow. Some root beer thoughts.
Is that what we're doing?
You know what I'm saying? That's a little deep Wu-Tang reference.
Woo!
Gang.
I can't wait.
That's gonna be dope. That's gonna be dope when niggas is just like, yo, what you doing right now? I'm at high and I'm just fucking around like in the crib, just like bored, and I'm just like, yo, I call you like, yo, what are you doing right now? I'm smacked. Yo, look outside. And there's like a fucking, I just bought you like the Oscar Mayer wiener card for no reason. Yo, I bought you the hot dog card, nigga. Look outside.
I'm like, what am I supposed to do with this? I'm just like trying to drive it. Just tearing up traffic.
Parallel park shit, like, bong, bong, bong.
I'm trying to do a 3-point turn. I'm trying to come visit you in Jersey on those small ass roads. I'm just backing up all the traffic. Go around. Go around. You see the sign.
What the fuck?
You can only, if you pass me on the catch-up side, I can't see you.
Why are you driving a fucking hot dog, you asshole?
Mero bought it for me. It was a gift. It was very nice.
It's a fucking hot dog.
Leave
It's
me
not
alone.
a car, you idiot.
Chris Christie, stop chasing me.
Fucking dick. Where's my gabagool? Is there any hot dogs in the car? Nigga gets out the car, man, fast, starts chasing you.
He's not even chasing you in the car. Like he's running like the Terminator.
Yo, Chris Christie would definitely chase you down if he was in the Oscar Wiener mobile.
He would bite the actual ass. He's just clinging on with his teeth like, ah. Nothing's wrong with this meat. It doesn't fresh.
Oh, she got mad nitrates.
Oh, man. Listen, I think that is that the run of the show.
Oh, wow.
You know who died?
Who died? Oh, shit. Why did I say oh, Sheila like it was a Prince song? Is it?
Oh, Sheila.
No, that's Oh Sheila. What? Wait. What happened? You said Oh Sheila.
Oh, Sheila's not
That's
Prince.
a Prince song.
Oh, it is? Okay, good. Wow. Who did I think it was?
Morris Day.
Oh, okay.
No, that's actually, no, it's a Ready for the World. I think he wrote it, though.
Okay. See, that's what it is.
You got, listen, we got to make sure about that because you know some Prince fans will be like,
You niggas don't know about Prince. Fuck out of here.
it's commonly misattributed to Prince due to similarity to his vocal and musical style, as well as the belief that the song's lyrics allude to frequent collaborated Sheila E., who was hot.
Very
Still is. Go get it.
She's shot there.
Ready for the world. Damn, that was back when people had Jerry curls. We need to bring that back.
Yeah.
I should get a Jerry curl.
Jericho
Right?
wave? Yeah.
Yeah.
We're there. Replicell's out here. We could just, Replicell will make you grow hair everywhere. Pause. Like, I mean, no
You
pause.
said Red Bull?
Replicell.
Oh, Red Bull. I was like, Red Bull's
Yeah.
growing red? Jerry curls?
Yeah. Imagine. Yo, if Red Bull grew my hair, I would be very hairy.
We have to do something with BMX bikes before you lose your leg for Red Bull.
I'm with it.
Let's go riding. We're good. Red Bull is gonna make us. We're gonna jump the Grand Canyon on a ramp. No, on one take. No practice, no wires, no nets.
Yo, remember the Simpsons when he did that? He just fell right off the edge of the shit. Like,
That's how the brand ends. We're gonna do a 360 kickflip. I'm gonna be on the pegs. Mero's gonna just go that fast. His kids are gonna be there watching in the glory.
Wow. Oh, shit.
You know what? Remember that guy? He walked across Niagara Falls on a little thin ass thing, and he was like, "Oh, he praises to God. God, Jesus puts me through every. I was like, oh, this nigga.
God was up there like,
Look at this nigga, man.
This nigga full.
Yo, who fucking mans is this,
Straight
bitch?
facts. I did not tell you walk on the wire, my
Yo,
G.
you wildin', son. I did tell fucking Noah about the arc shit, but that wire shit,
tell
nigga?
us.
Nah, that was that loud.
Bugging. God got a Yankee fit in a do-rag.
like, yo,
It's him.
Matt on time, like, yo, this, who the fuck?
Wildin'.
Yo, y'all wildin'. He just be watching Earth like it's World Star.
Like it's World Star. Like, yo.
shit. Yo.
He said to Satan Links, like, yo, you was wildin' yesterday. yo, you OD Liddy, son. Chirp, chirp. I got a group chat going on. Him, Muhammad, everybody, Allah, just everybody's just out there, just.
Yeah, I'm just like, ooh. Y'all wildin' out there.
Wildin' out there. Vashnu, what are you doing?
Yo, what?
He's like, yo, look at all my arms.
Yo, shit. They do the 1 million rock with Mad Libs.
All right, this might be the most offensive episode. How do we keep pushing the envelope?
Yo, we're pushing it.
Listen, that's the brand. The brand is strong. Live from 220 West 18th Street. It's episode 38.
God damn.
It's the Bodega Boys, a.k.a. Young Money. Can we take that? Can we call ourselves Young Money?
We could do it.
We're Wash Money.
We're
Wash Money Gang.
Wash Young Money Gang.
Wash Money, but the money's not really their gang.
Wash Electronic Money Gang.
Electronic Money. E-File Gang. It's your boy, Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket State Fat Material, a.k.a. Desus Nice, a.k.a. Desus Vice, a.k.a. Chris Apple Sling Dick, a.k.a. Eli Lippy, Butchers Gully, Slow Banana Might Know You, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take. Jesus H. Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Rondo, 1994, Mikhail going off, the Juve boss, Little MC, Little Gunga P, pull up for 40 with Shorty, AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. I don't know you. Just look ahead. Look at the ways. Don't look at me. All right? Look at the route.
You got a smartphone. Look at it.
Look at it.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't make any conversation. The original, my +1 got a +1. Just
right.
don't make a fuss.
Don't you dare.
Jesus Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew. I'm looking for a good.
He got some things there.
I want some. I had a great bagel with a little schmerm. It was great. You know, a little schmear. It was great to talk. Jermaine Avocado Toast, a.k.a. Mr. Hollywood, a.k.a. Mr. La Marina and Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor, a.k.a. your problematic babe. Wow. That's like 50 minutes, just the intro.
That's right. I'm going to give you 20 more.
Go
it's
ahead.
your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, you know what I'm saying? Skirt loader, you know what I'm saying? I am no fucking baby, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Field the ass Tyson, bench smack Biombo. You know what I'm saying? The Dominican done, da-da. You know what I'm saying? I'll open your medicine cabinet and snoop, because I don't care. You know what I'm saying? And also, if you see me in Target, you know how to approach me, my nigga. Like a fucking earth sign mammal. Holla!
Bear. How do you say bear in Spanish again?
Also.
Also.
That's why there's a kid show called Detective Also that's about bear.
Is it? Why do kid shows always about bears and stuff? Bears will rip your fucking face
They
off.
will. Don't get too hype with the bear.
Do you understand what the embarrassing bears would do to your family if they came across them?
What?
Mama bear just pulling out your wife's intestines and playing them like a guitar.
Even the little one.
The
like,
little ones just gnawing at your kids. Not fair.
Fucking disgusting.
And they don't wear pajamas.
That's right.
And shout out to Mama Bear for protecting her edges with a bonnet.
Yo, every time.
Every
Yo,
time.
she was everywhere with
She
that
was
fucking
always
bonnet.
with a bonnet. You know her hair is laid underneath there. She's doing that thing where women, they wrap their hair up and they don't do anything for it for like 4 months.
No. Just let it
She's
go.
doing that. Shout out, everyone on Lipstick Alley is like, how does Jesus know about that?
I know. Natural journey. You know what I'm saying?
Till next week.
That's right.
It's been lit.
Holla.
We out.